Today, I'm going to show you how to install the DropInBlog app to your Thinkific account and create a blog page for your Thinkific account using DropInBlog. First, you'll want to look at the left-hand side of your window, find Integrations, and click on it. You'll then be taken to this apps page where you'll see all the apps you've installed from the Thinkific App Store. There's nothing here right now, so on the upper right side of the site, find the Visit App Store button and click on it. You'll then be taken to the Thinkific App Store in a new tab. Here on the upper middle section of the site, click inside the search bar and type in DropInBlog. Then hit Enter. After it comes up with the result, click on the DropInBlog app, then you'll be taken to the apps page. On the left-hand side, just below the DropInBlog logo, click Install. On the bottom right, find the Accept and Install button and click on it. When installing the DropInBlog app to your Thinkific account, DropInBlog will automatically create an account for you and you'll be redirected to your DropInBlog account. And right here is where you'll see and manage all of your posts. Another way to access your DropInBlog account through Thinkific is when you go back to your Thinkific account. Let's go back to that tab. In the apps page, DropInBlog hasn't appeared here yet, so hit refresh and it should appear. When it does, all you have to do is click on DropInBlog and it'll take you to your DropInBlog account. Now let's go back to Thinkific. Now you've confirmed that DropInBlog has been installed to your Thinkific account, you can now create a blog page on your Thinkific site using DropInBlog. First thing to do is on the left-hand side of the site, look for Design Your Site and click on it. Under it, find and click on Site Pages. Once in Site Pages, on the upper right, click on New Custom Page. A pop-up will appear, and here you can name your page. You can also change your page title here, but we'll leave it blank for now and name our page Blog. Then hit Create Page. Next is to add DropInBlog to the new blog page. It should appear under Most Recent in your site pages. Look for the white pen icon and click on it to edit your blog page. You'll then be taken to the site builder, and on the left-hand side, we'll look for the Add Section button and click on it. A pop-up will appear. Scroll down until you see the DropInBlog section, and under DropInBlog, click Blog. Your page will appear under Sections, and on the preview on the right, you'll see that all of your posts from DropInBlog will be pulled over to your new blog page. Then hit Save. And that's how you install the DropInBlog app to your Thinkific account and create a blog page for your Thinkific account using DropInBlog. Happy blogging!